What is up? What is up? Alright, what is up?
What is up, YouTube?
Today we're filming a just our day, you know? Just vlog number 7.
No, I don't think it's 7.
It's our 7th video.
Oh, okay. 7th video.
Just watch the video, don't click off. Press the subscribe button. And just watch the vlog. Let's get it. Gucci for life. Okay, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Or, well, not that hungry. I stole a pizza from my school.
Why'd you steal?
You just grab the pizza and walk out. That says poor people, okay? Other YouTubers, you got that YouTube money. I'm about to get. We ain't got no YouTube money yet.
You had to steal a pizza.
No YouTube money yet. YouTube money! I think it's broken, because it's a little ovalish. I don't think they're supposed to. I feel so uncoordinated.
That's why you don't ride unicycles in the house, kids.
I hit my butt. I'm done. I give up. You wanna try? Gus, you wanna try? I bet he could do it better than me.
I think it's supposed to.
Not bad.
I think it's supposed to be healthy for you.
No, I'm pretty sure it's dog food.
No, it's not dog food. They don't keep dog food right there.
Yeah, let's throw that back in there.
Look, see if they have saltines. Let's try the saltine challenge.
Right now?
Right now.
You're gonna choke and die. I don't even want to open any of these. See what's on, baby.
You could throw something in the microwave.
Oh, yeah, let's do this.
It's an Indian food.
Ravioli.
Shh, dude, be quiet. Dude, everyone's sleeping in the house.
Oh! Were you expecting to land that?
Where's the pizza?
Open this box. It's okay. We can't cook it. It's not gonna work. Step 1: open the box. We have our pizza. Next step is. I did not know that was it. We're not gonna throw it in there. We're gonna throw it in here. Okay. Go.
You want some, Katie?
You're more than welcome to have some pizza.
I'm good, dude. I'm actually gonna go to the one.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we should have done. We didn't have to cook anything.
We're broke.
Hey, I actually got some money from my college today. I got $90.
Today, a homeless guy gave me his money because he thought I was a hoe.
Let's go play in the rain real quick.
Okay,
Whoa.
it's preheated.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof on another level ahead of the.
Now that our pro skate session's over, now we're gonna go inside. I think the pizza's done, so we gotta go eat some grub. Out in the strip club.
Yes. We're just right here. 12 minutes till the pizza's done. I dare you to jump in the pool.
Jump in the pool?
You get struck by lightning.
It's raining.
I dare you.
Triple dog dare me?
No, just one dare.
I only do it if you double dog or triple dog dare me.
I'll quadruple dog dare you.
Okay, man. I'll do it. Okay. What do I get? What do I get for jumping in the pool?
This TV remote.
Okay, man, I'm so down.
How's my hair?
I don't know.
I'm down. It's like,
Oh, it's so warm.
no, you're lying.
I think it's starting to rain harder, so you better hurry up.
I'll do the back. Ready? 3, 2. It is so cold, but it feels so good at the same time. I thought about lightning.
Lightning! Oh!
Michael Phelps! What the?
No, stop.
Here we go.
There you go! There you go!
Okay, since there's no,
Dude, where are my clothes?
cremate. What?
Where are my clothes?
Your clothes?
My clothes, I took them off.
Like landing clothes?
Gus, get off my clothes! Get off my clothes, please. Gus, I need my clothes.
Hey, Gus. Come here. Gus. Gus.
Oh look, we have a treat. It's okay, Gus.
What you get?
Much farther on the tape. Jeez, scared the crap out of me. I got practice right now. If most of y'all don't know, I play basketball for Maricosa College.
You don't play basketball? Landon, just because you ball on a miniature hoop doesn't mean you're a baller.
This proves that I play college basketball. We're gonna get back to you, maybe the vlog later, tonight, tomorrow, and finish it.
Okay, wait, how do I cut the pizza?
Stretch! Oh!